y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are at day 19 of Vlogmas. I am here to do another wig review for you guys. This is a Nadula wig. If you watched my vlog a couple of days ago, I had did an unboxing of it, and so now I'm going to prep it and put it on just so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm gonna wash it, co-wash it, pluck the part, and put a little concealer on that and prep it just so that I can have it ready to wear. I don't usually do too much with my wigs. I don't do too much prep, but I definitely do pluck the lace, put a little concealer on it, but because it's a T-part, I don't have to do that much. And sometimes I have to layer a curly wig to frame my face. So I'm not sure if I showed you guys the actual wig, but so I could have sworn this was a T-part wig, but it is not a T-part. Oh, wow. So it comes with 2 clips on the side. It comes with a clip in the back and the side clips that you clip together to make it tighter. This is a 4x4 lace. I don't know why I thought it was a T-part. I could have sworn I ordered a T-part wig. It is 18 inches. And pretty much I'm going to have to do a little bit more work than I'm supposed to. That I thought I was originally. This is the I may not need to pluck this. I don't know. We'll see. I'll put the foundation on there and then see where I need to go from there. So I just wanted to show you guys the specs before I actually put the wig on. I'm going to come back with the wig on. Because you guys are not going to see my bald. We family, but y'all not going to see my bald cap. But maybe some other time, but just not today. So I'm going to come back with the wig on. I'm not going to do much to it, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like before I cut the lace, and just so people can have an idea of what it looks like. Yeah, so I'll be back. So I am back with the wig. I didn't cut the lace. I definitely need to pluck the part. I just realized this wig is not what I wanted. This is definitely not it. It's still cute, but this wasn't what I ordered. So I have this wide tooth comb here. I'm combing it, and I cannot find my water bottle to save my life. I don't know where it's at, but hopefully I could find it for the purpose of wetting this hair. I did not wash it because I wanted you to see what it looked like out of the pack and what it looks like once you comb it. And when you co-wash it, it definitely loosens the curls, but I kind of like it like this. I don't know. It's kind of cute. I wish I had my water. So when you wet the hair, I don't know if you can see how like this stuff is sticking up as I combed it, because these are the natural layers in the hair. When you actually wet it, like if you play with the curls and kind of like, you know, unwind the curls, when you wet it, it kind of gives a uniform look and you won't see the different layers. So found my water bottle and I kind of just stick to the bottom, because the top I haven't, you know, I gotta flatten it with mousse and all that. So I'm just gonna stick to the bottom, the part that's sticking up. And you can see that, yeah, I don't even think this is an 18-inch. They sent me the wrong unit. So, sorry for my screw face, but remember when I told you like the top was like, it kind of definitely flattens it. Like you don't see where that was sticking up at before. Yeah, I'm sorry for my screwed up face, because this is not what I thought this was gonna be. Like, I didn't order this, so they sent me the wrong unit. I'm still gonna keep it because I still like it, but this is definitely a lot shorter. It's not a T-part. I ordered a T-part wig. It's a lot shorter. This is probably like a 16. I still like it. It's cute, but this is definitely not what I ordered. So, Nadula, y'all bugging. But I'm gonna come back with the lace cut and the top, you know, fixed. So you know what? I'm gonna do that on camera because I think a lot of people don't know how to cut lace or actually fix the top. So I'm gonna do it on camera just so you guys can see. Y'all remember the part where I said I was gonna show y'all my my cap? I lied. So this is the lace. You can see where the hair starts, where it starts to get darker. So you're gonna cut right before you get to where the hair starts. So I had already started cutting the lace, and I'm gonna start. This hair just fell on the floor. Great. So yeah, that's how I cut the lace. Some people actually cut this part, this little tab part that starts in the front. I don't. And for the part, what I do is I actually just pull the hair out. So like I'll grab strands of hair. So I'll pick a couple of strands. Like this is like 2 strands, you can't see it. And I literally pull them out. So I'm going to show you guys putting this actual wig on. And this is how I do it. Usually I use the straps in the back, but sometimes I install my own straps. And then the 2 clips on the side, I clip it to the side of my hair. And this one's kind of tight. I don't want it to be too tight. These wigs are cool because you can shift the part however you want it. Right now it's a middle part, and that's cool for now, just for demonstration purposes. But you could wear it as a side part. And get this brush. See, as you comb it, you see how much bigger it gets. But if I would have co-washed this, it wouldn't be looking like this. This is definitely not what I ordered. Kind of disappointed that they did this to me, but again, I'm not going to return it because it's just not that serious. I think I'm going to have to. So I'm going to show you guys putting this actual wig on. And this is how I do it. Usually I use the straps in the back, but sometimes I install my own straps. And then the 2 clips on the side, I clip it to the side of my hair. And this one's kind of tight. I don't want it to be too tight. These wigs are cool because you can shift the part however you want it. Right now it's a middle part, and that's cool for now, just for demonstration purposes. But you could wear it as a side part. And get this brush. See, as you comb it, you see how much bigger it gets. But if I would have co-washed this, it wouldn't be looking like this. This is definitely not what I ordered. Kind of disappointed that they did this to me, but again, I'm not going to return it because it's just not that serious. I think I'm going to have to. So I'm probably going to have to do this off camera because I can't really see the part. So what I do is I part in the front, and whatever pieces are out, I just pull them out with my hand. You can use tweezers, but I don't work well with tweezers. So I don't know if I'm gonna pluck. I should probably pluck this. Yeah, I'm debating whether I should pluck this because it looks good, but it just needs more opening. But I'm just keep dropping things. I'm sorry, guys. So yeah, so what I do is I look to see where I can create an opening. So I grab this much hair, you see? See how much hair I grabbed? And I just pull it out. Now, you see the difference. I don't know if I'm gonna pluck this much. I may want to widen it. I don't know. I'm really debating whether I should pluck this anymore. Let me see what it looks like when I put some product on it. It definitely needs to be plucked more. So this is an old, I did my makeup earlier and I had some leftover product on here. So I'm putting this on the part. I honestly don't know if I should pluck this more. I'm gonna go get my mousse and I'm gonna come back so you guys can see how I flatten this and what my whole method is. I'm sorry because I don't know if I should pluck this. So usually I put hair wax and I'll put like a hot comb over through this part to make it more flat, but it's actually pretty flat on its own. And so I take my Nairobi what is this, mousse foaming lotion, and what I do is I flatten it like this. And if you want to even make it even more flatter, you can go in between where you know the lace starts and you start. Oh, this one is kind of funny, but I just put the Nairobi gel on there. I mean mousse, and it'll flatten it for you. And then you don't want it to be too straight with these curly units. So again, I have to wet this because I didn't co-wash it. So I'm definitely gonna pluck this part. I was deliberating because I'm like, it's pretty it's open. It's not big, but it's not open. It's not that tight. But I realized I need my part to be a little bit more defined. Yeah, I'm not taking that much hair off, but sometimes you gotta make these straight. I can't do this on camera, I apologize. Okay, let's see. This can take forever sometimes because you can really screw this up if you over pluck it. But like I was saying before, I just pull it out. I take little pieces and I pull it out. So guys, I'm back. I plucked the part a little bit, opened it up and put more concealer, and I wet it. If you guys have a wax stick, you can also put the wax stick up here for the flyaways, but I can't find my wax stick. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, they definitely sent me the wrong unit, and I'm kind of bummed about it because this is not how I wanted it to look. But I'm actually just putting some Nairobi on here on the dry patches because again, I told you guys I didn't wet it. I'm probably gonna wet it when I actually put it on. But this is not an 18-inch. It's probably supposed to be like right here, but like I've had the 18-inch T-part before, and it's a lot shorter, and this is not the T-part wig. So I'm a little disappointed that they sent me the wrong unit. But I'm not gonna send this back either. I'm not gonna return it, so it is what it is. I'm gonna accept it for what it is. It's definitely a conservative length. I don't mind this though. This is super cute, super nice. I always like Nadula's curly texture because it looks like a wet and wavy. But this is the final look. Super cute, super conservative on the curl, but I do like this. Let's see this part. Could wear it like this. You can also do baby hairs in the front. I did not do that because I'm not trying to have the hair look plastered on me. But when I actually wear this out, I'll probably just do baby hairs along the front. This is like it's not a 4x4 closure because it seems like the part is just from here. I really think they sent me a 2x4 closure, so I don't know what's going on with Nadula, but they need to figure it out. They really sent me the wrong hair, and I paid for this, so yeah. I still like it though. I always love a curl. Curls always just are like so bomb to me. And yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. You can, like I said, you can always go in with the wax stick if you have flyaways, but this is pretty much curly hair, so I don't do too much to curly hair just because I don't want the roots to look too straight. So the Nairobi wrap works well, and it'll do the job. It'll get it flat, and if you pluck and open it up a little bit, I don't know if you guys remember how it was before, but I definitely open it up, and it's still pretty natural, and I love it. It's cute. So yeah. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.